Hey, hello guys, so welcome back to Hackers Colony Tech, and this is Azhar. So today's in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux with a full desktop setup on Android without root with GUI. No root required, no fake setup, no black screen issues. Everything's clean, stable and optimized for real use. It just takes one command to launch Kali Linux GUI on your phone. It works on Android 7 and above, and it's built for learners and ethical hackers and serious users. Alright guys, let's get started. And guys, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, do like, subscribe and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos. Alright guys, so first of all, we'll open up the Termux. Now once we open the Termux, we'll type the first command, that is apt update and an apt upgrade space -y. We'll hit on enter. What this is going to do, this will update and upgrade all the packages in your Termux. Now once we're done with this, we'll go for the we'll install git. So to install git, we'll type pkg install space git space -y and we'll hit on enter. And once we're done with this, we'll go for the next command, git clone. So guys, I have given the git clone link in the description. You can copy it from there and then come back to the Termux, type git space clone space and paste the link and hit on enter. In case guys, if you face any problem, you can comment down or you can join a WhatsApp Telegram group. I have given the group link in the description. Click on the link, join our group, where you will be able to learn more about ethical hacking for free, and you will be able to get instant help. So do check out description, join our group. You can get more help on ethical hacking. Now hit on enter. Once you're done with this, type ls, hit on enter, then type cd space hco kali termux, then hit on enter, then type chmod space +x space star hco kali termux.sh, then hit on enter. Now to run the tool guys, simply type bash hco kali termux.sh and then hit on enter. Now once you hit on enter guys, you will be able to see this message: you must subscribe to Hackers Colony to use this tool. So basically this tool is not free. So from here, the Termux will automatically redirect you to our YouTube channel. You have to scroll down, click on subscribe, then click on the bell icon. Making sure you're clicking on subscribe, click on the bell icon, click on all, then go back to the Termux and hit on enter, and you will be able to use this tool for free. Okay, then hit on enter. Now once you hit on enter, this will install all the required packages to run the Kali Linux with GUI in your Termux without error. And guys, making sure you do join our group and you do subscribe and click on the bell icon. It will really help us. Now guys, you can see here, enjoy full Kali Linux desktop in Termux. Once you see this one, simply first you have to set up the password. So to set up the password, type vnc passwd. Okay, vnc passwd, and then below that you can see password. You can type anything you want. It should be minimum 6 characters. Okay, so I'm typing number. And here, once you verify, it will ask you, would you like to enter a view only passwords? It's totally up to you. I'm just typing here Y. Okay, so you have to re-verify whatever you have typed, and then you have retyped the password whatever you just set up now. So type it again. It should be minimum 6 characters. Once you're done with this, hit on enter. Then you will be able to see you'll be back to the normal page. From here, to start the Kali Linux. Okay, to start the Kali Linux, simply type / then type start -kali -gui and hit on enter. Once you hit on enter guys, it will show you your IP and all how to run. So you have a little bit go up and you can see VNC password is the password you set just above. Then from here, just copy the address, the IP address, and copy this one, go back and then open the VNC server app. Then right bottom corner, click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, in the address bar, just paste the IP address that you copied from Termux. Now below that you see name, you can type anything. I'm just typing Kali, and then I'm gonna click on create. You can type any name, click on create. Then you'll be able to see connect. Click on connect. Once you click on connect, you can see unscripted connection. Just click on continue, and here it will ask you for your password. So you have to type the same password that you have set up earlier in the Termux. Then click on continue. Okay, once you click on continue, you can see Linux with GUI is working fine in my phone without root. So from here guys, I'm using a mouse and a keyboard. I'll suggest you to use a mouse and a keyboard, and you can use this without any error. You will have all the features, everything. If you're going to use directly with the phone, you can use, but you will have a hard time like clicking on the buttons and all. I'm using a mouse and a keyboard that comes under like 1,000 rupees. Okay, so you can just buy it and then you can use it. Will help you to do everything very easily. Here you can run all the rooted tools, you can do all the stuff, you can practice for ethical hacking and more. So guys, video is still here only. Okay, and if you found this video interesting and helpful, do like, subscribe and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos, and join a group as well. Now once we are done with this, I'm gonna just click on logout. So once I click on logout, you can see 3 buttons are showing up. So you can click on any one and you can just disconnect by clicking on the logout button. Then I'm going to close this one. I'm going to go back to the Termux. Here I just simply have to type exit, exit, and once I'm going to hit on enter, it will automatically close the browser as well. Or you can, the main thing, if you're running a GUI, here what I'm going to suggest you have to type stop ./top kali give a hyphen, then type GUI, same like that the earlier you type for the start, then hit on enter and it will automatically kill the process, and then your Linux will be closed from the VNC. Then type exit and hit on enter and your Termux will be closed. So guys, video was still here only. If you found this video helpful and interesting, do like, subscribe, and do join our group where you'll be able to learn more about ethical hacking for free. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video guys. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.